Hello friends, my name is Samruddhi Kamre and we are from JSPM Rajeshri Shahu College of Engineering, Pune. And we are going to present our Python project which is named as Electricity Bill Calculator using Python Programming, which comes under the subject of Introduction to Python Programming and Data Science, which is guided by the Rashmi ma'am. So, these are the contents of our project. So as we know, we paid our monthly electricity bill. This project is a simple yet effective application developed using core Python concepts to automate the calculation of electricity bill based on user consumption. The main objective of this project is to reduce the human errors and save time in calculating electricity charges instead of doing manual calculations. This Python system takes the number of units consumed and computes the bill using slab-based tariff system. This technology used visual code Tkinter, and the project uses basic concepts such as input-output operations, conditional statements, functions, optically GUI element, which is named as graphical user interface. The main objective of this project is automate the electricity bill calculation based on user input, eliminate manual calculation errors, practice core Python concepts in a real world scenario. Next information will be provided by Acharya Sakshi.
Define the problems and create a system to calculate the electricity bill based on a unit consumers. Design the system use of a CLI and GUI tinker. A layout, input fields and buttons and result display. Implement logic, apply the slab-wise rate calculation. Second one, component required laptop GUI tinker versus code for editing and running the Python script and billing system. Then Python GXX installed. Then flowchart. There is a flowchart. 4 columns: unit consume, range, calculation details, additional charges, and fixed charges is 0 to 100 units. Then second column is calculation details. Amount is equal to units into 1.15, and additional charges will be 25 rupees, and fixed charges will be 0. There is another flowchart. Uh, that is first step is a start, then input consumer name ID and unit consumed. Then it is a units of valid number, and then step is yes or no, and then calculate a bill error, show message, and display the total bill, and save and the clear and excel.
My name is Madhuri Shinde. I will present the code of the project and working of the code. We firstly install the VS Code in the laptop. Then we import the tkinter as a TK. Then we import the message box from the Tinker library. Then we define the functions for the electricity bill. Then we give the input for the user like the units, date, and name and consumer number. Then we give the some validation. Then we applied some conditions, the like by the if else conditions. The conditions are like that: if the units are less than or equal to 100, then there is no fixed charges applied. If the units are above 350, then the fixed charge is applied. The fixed charges we assumed as 15,000. The fixed charge is applied when the units are 350 above. The bill is calculated by the formula. The formula is the amount plus charge plus fixed charge. Then the bill is calculated by the pressing the calculator button. Then we create the tkinter window. For the creating the window, we use the tk.tk. Then we give the title by using the root.title. The title is the electricity bill calculator. Then we give the some dimensions or size for the window using the root.geometry. Then we add the backgrounds, colors, and text. Then we give the some labels and entries like the consumer name, date, and consumer date, consumer name, and numbers used with costume colors. Then we add the button using the tk dot button for the calculating bill, and the result show by pressing the calculator button. Then we use the root dot main loop for the running this program. Output is like that. Now I explain the how the calculator works. We are assuming the units are the 400s. Units are 400s. 400s. Then the date is Then I will enter the consumer name. Consumer name is Yasminda Madhuri. Then we enter the consumer number. Then the calculate the bill by pressing the calculating button. You can see here the bill is calculated and total amount is shown here. You can see the fixed charge is applied because of the units are the above 350. The units are 400, so the fixed charge is applied. You can see. Thank you.